So, if you're at home and you're online, just click on the link. Everybody else, you have this piece of paper that's in front of you. It looks like this. What we're doing today, this is a review for what is going to be on the test coming up on October 8th. You guys are going to have a test in here. This is, geez, I got to close the windows. This is one of the 5 things that I'm going to be testing you on. I want you to be able to recognize which ones of these words are in past tense and which ones are in present tense just by looking at the words. So, right here at the top of your paper, it says, all you need to know for this activity is that blank and blank mean that something happened. Now, when we say like, I trained or I needed to eat less over and over, what do we put on the end of that thing? It's not necesito, it's necesitaba, right? Or entrenaba. We've got that aba ending. So an ABA is going to be one of them, or the other one is what? Ia. What are some of the words that have ia in it? Like tenia and queria. Josh, don't worry about that. They got the paper. If you see a blank, it means yo in the present. What's that going to be? What letter is on the end of a sentence which means I in the present? Oh, I mean this is really, really easy. If it's any other letter, like an A or an E, then it is L or ella in the present. Alright? What are some examples of like this one? They just end with an A instead of an aba. Necesita. What about an E instead of an ia? Instead of tenía, it's what? Tiene. So let's do the first couple together. Let's look at the first one. Yo me entreno mucho. Okay. Who's it talking about?
You. Me.
Yeah, so right here let's just put yo or I. I don't care what you put. We'll just do a couple of these as a class and then we'll let you guys do them on your own. Yo or I. When did this happen? Is it now or is it in the past?
Present.
It's present, right? So you can put present here. And why? This is really obvious, but I want you to write it anyway. Why is this in the present? How do we know? Because write something like this. O means present. Got it? Let's do the next one, and then I'll let you do this on your own. Yo me entrenaba mucho. Who's it talking about? Yo still. When is it? Past. How do you know? Because it's got an aba on the ending. Go ahead and sign the door. Does that make sense? Why don't you try to go through these individually and see what you recognize? Thanks.